We just received a glowing review from one of our clients, John, who is thrilled about our incredible 5-star service. After 3 years of procrastinating and realizing his home's foundation was sinking, he called Olshan Foundation Repair. Listen to John's glowing testimony about the 10 foundation supports Teo's team installed to level John's home.
After 3 years of thinking about it and noticing that my foundation kept sinking slowly every year, I decided to proceed. I wish I had done so sooner as it was cheaper 3 years ago. The problem was not going to fix itself and would just get worse, so it was time to act. On April 11, 2024, Team Olshan showed up and started work on 10 supports. It was a big job, and they did it very well. Felt sorry for the crew as we got a ton of rain the day before, so it was very nasty hot muddy work. They earned every penny I paid. Crew was Teo, Lee, Luis, Kevin, Gabriel, Miguel, Kevin, and Thomas. They did a fantastic job and cleaned up after the job very well. In short, I highly recommend Olshan if you have a foundation issue. Don't be like me and procrastinate. It won't get better nor cheaper, so just bite the bullet and get it done.
Thank you, John, for your kind words and for choosing Olshan Foundation Repair. Your testimonial is a powerful endorsement of our mission to deliver top-notch structural solutions with integrity and excellence. We look forward to continuing to serve the Houston community with the same dedication and professionalism that has defined our legacy for over 8 decades. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us. Our team is ready to assist with any foundation concerns you may have, ensuring your home remains safe and secure. Thank you for spending time with us today, and we look forward to serving the Houston community for many more years to come. Together, we can ensure the stability and safety of your home, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. We hope to see you again soon.